Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Prime Treasures, your go-to guide for the best gear, gadgets, and lifestyle upgrades that boost your everyday experience without breaking the bank. Today, we're turning up the heat in the kitchen. Whether you're a home chef, a college student learning the ropes, or someone who just wants to make dinner without wrestling with warped pans and burnt eggs, the right cookware can completely transform your cooking game. And 2025 has delivered some seriously sizzling sets for every budget and skill level. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 best cookware sets of 2025, ranked by performance, durability, design, ease of use, and real customer reviews. From stainless steel to non-stick, from budget buys to pro-level tools, we've got something for everyone. As always, you'll find links to all the sets we mentioned down in the description below. Let's fire it up. Number 10. T-fal Initiative's Non-Stick 18-piece set. Kicking things off at number 10, the T-fal Initiative's set is a budget-friendly staple that covers all the basics. With non-stick interiors, heat-resistant handles, and even a few cooking utensils thrown in, this set is perfect for beginners or anyone outfitting a new kitchen. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and surprisingly durable for the price. If you're on a budget but still want to cook with confidence, this is a solid start. Number 9. Caraway Non-Toxic Ceramic Cookware Set. At number 9, we've got Caraway, known for their Instagram-worthy colors and eco-conscious design. This ceramic-coated cookware is free of PTFE, PFOA, and other nasties. It heats evenly, cleans easily, and looks gorgeous sitting on your stovetop. The 2025 update includes improved handles and new magnetic storage racks. Great for the health-conscious cook who loves form and function. Number 8. Rachael Cucina Hard-Anodized Non-Stick Set. Rachael Ray's Cucina series continues to impress in 2025. This hard-anodized non-stick cookware heats quickly, resists scratches, and comes in earthy, stylish tones. Rubberized handles stay cool, and shatter-resistant lids seal in moisture and flavor. It's a fantastic mid-range option with a lot of personality. Number 7. Calphalon Premier Space Saving Set. At number 7, the Calphalon Premier Space Saving Set is a dream for small kitchens. These stackable pots and pans nest neatly and save up to 30% more space in your cabinets. They're dishwasher-safe, oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and built with 3-layer non-stick for superior durability. Perfect for apartment dwellers or anyone short on storage. Number 6. Ninja Foodi NeverStick Premium Cookware. Coming in hot at number 6, Ninja's NeverStick Cookware has changed the non-stick game. Forged at 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit, these pans are designed to last without flaking or peeling. They're oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, metal utensil-safe, and built like tanks. If you're tired of replacing your non-stick every year, this set's for you. Number 5. Cuisinart Multiclad Pro Stainless Steel. Set halfway through the list, and it's time to bring in the pros with the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro Set. This tri-ply stainless steel cookware offers precise temperature control, excellent heat retention, and a polished look that screams pro chef vibes. It's compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Great for cooks who want performance without the ultra-premium price. Number 4. GreenPan Valencia Pro Ceramic Non-Stick Set. At number 4, GreenPan Valencia Pro brings toxin-free tech and top-tier performance. Made with Thermalon Minerals ceramic and a hard-anodized body, it's PFAS-free and induction compatible. The 2025 version includes upgraded scratch resistance and better heat distribution. Clean, green, and great for everyday cooking. Number 3. Le Creuset Toughened Nonstick Pro Set. Cracking the top 3. Le Creuset isn't just for cast iron anymore. Their toughened nonstick Paro line delivers high-end performance with a sleek, scratch-resistant finish. It's dishwasher-safe, oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and built to handle daily use with ease. Premium price, but serious quality for dedicated home chefs. Number 2. All-Clad D3 Stainless Steel Cookware. Runner-up goes to All-Clad D3, a legend in the stainless steel world. This American-made set features tri-ply construction, unmatched durability, and incredible heat conductivity. It's a favorite among culinary pros and serious enthusiasts alike. Built to last a lifetime. And then some. Number 1. HexClad Hybrid Cookware Set, and taken the number 1 spot, HexClad. This hybrid cookware combines the best of stainless steel and nonstick, with a unique laser-etched hex pattern that allows for high searing and easy cleanup. Used by celebrity chefs, yeah, even Gordon Ramsay, it's dishwasher-safe, metal utensil-safe, and works on all cooktops including induction. It's sleek, smart, and built for serious cooking. If you want one set to rule them all, this is it. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 10 best cookware sets of 2025. Whether you're frying, sautéing, boiling, or braising, investing in the right cookware makes a world of difference. From budget-friendly to pro-level, there's a perfect set out there for you. Got a favorite brand or set we missed? Drop it in the comments. We want to hear what's heating up your kitchen. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another gear guide from Prime Treasures. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!